Hello children, class 4. I am back again with your science revision of chapter 2. We have done up to non-green plants. Today we will be doing insectivorous plants. As you know, insectivorous plants are those plants which get their food by capturing the insects and killing and digesting them. Now, you might ask me that all these three types of pictures of insectivorous plant that is given here, the pitcher plant, the sundew plant and the Venus flytrap, all have green leaves. Then why do they not manufacture their own food? The reason being, these plants are usually seen to be growing in places which have less nutrition in the soil, and that is the reason that they cannot get enough nutrition. And so yes, photosynthesis is done but in a very less quantity, so the main amount of nutrition they get from the insects that they digest. Now I will tell you how each one of them catch the insect and digest it. See, this is the pitcher plant. It looks like a pitcher with a covering here. This is the covering, a leaf covering on top. What happens is, all these you will find they are very brightly colored and attractive. So the insects are attracted and they walk inside it. When they walk inside, the leaf closes and this is actually filled with digestive juice. When it walks inside, it falls into the digestive juice and it is digested and eaten up by the plant. This is how the pitcher plant gets its food. Now, how do the sundew plant catches its insects? You see, there are spikes here with sticky endings. Don't make mistake with coronavirus now. It looks almost the same, but no, this is sundew plant with sticky ends. What happens when a insect is flying near it? It gets stuck to these sticky ends and then they cover it up and it is digested. Next is the Venus flytrap. It is like a trap, you see, it is open like this, and when the insect comes and sits here, it closes. It closes and it is taken inside, digested by the plant. This is how the insectivorous plants have their food from insects. Now, next is flow of energy in living world. In the living world, the energy is flowing, but from where? It is from the sun. The sun is the main source of energy. This sun's energy is taken up by the plants, as we have discussed in photosynthesis. While in photosynthesis, to make the food, the chlorophyll traps the energy of the sun and that is converted into the food of the plant. This plant is then eaten by the animals. Many animals, the herbivorous animals, they eat plants. Then these animals are again eaten by the predators or the carnivorous animals. The carnivorous animals, they eat the herbivorous animals, and in this way see, from the plant to the animal, to the herbivorous animal, the energy is directly going. And when the carnivorous animal is eating the herbivorous animal, it is indirectly the energy is going from the herbivorous animal to the carnivorous animal. In this way, the energy flows from the sun to the plants and then to animals and human beings. So this is the flow of energy in the living world. I hope you have remembered what I explained the first time. Next is interdependence between plants and animals and balance in nature. This I will continue in my next class.